Okay, last night we dug some more, or I did, and I dug some more just now. What you doing, Ava? Okay, so I decided to terrace it off, all of it. So I have 3 levels. I was going to do 4, but then the center one just didn't have a good base, not a wide enough one, so I put the last 2 into one. So I may need to level a little bit more. So my plan is to start bringing up stone, or start finding the stone for it. I may have some up here yet. And start laying it in. Meanwhile, I can also start doing the molding, because I have one platform I can work from. And I could even do the caulking and priming as I go. But I should be able to get the stone pretty quickly. I got quite a bit on hand. So I'll start laying it in. I'm trying to slope it back a little bit. So I may need to do a little bit more leveling off, or not leveling, but grading to get it the way I would like it. Okay, so we're pretty close. We can start getting the stone up here and finding the pieces I want to use, and then we should have a good base for doing this end.